Oh, getting a bite here on the chicken. Yep, he's got that. I can't even get my bag of chips. Ooh, boy. He's a big boy. Oh, okay. So, does raw chicken work? Yes. It works. Good morning. Just got out to the ramp. Fishing the river today. This is actually a new part of the river I'm putting in at. Sun's just coming up, probably around 5:40-ish. I'm fishing with raw chicken today, raw chicken breast, but I want to wait a little bit for the sun to come up a little bit higher before I get out there. I've never fished this part of the river, so the depth is kind of uncertain to me. And while I'm waiting, I'll try to throw a net, see if maybe I can catch a couple shad or bluegill. It's always good to have a variety of baits. Or I can fish, you know, chicken on one, bluegill or shad on the other. What we got here? Okay, we've made it out to the river. So from what the graph says, they seem to be right at 15 feet. First one I'm gonna drop. Okay. Next piece I'm gonna do is a piece of chicken. So with this chicken, you know, it's raw chicken. Isn't that good? I did bring soap with me too, just so I can wash my hands. It's just a different bait. I want to give it a try. Sometimes you can't always get bait fish, or go to your store and buy them, your bait shop or whatever. This is something completely new. I see a lot of guys online have pretty good luck with it. I figured, why not? Let's give her a try. So I see a lot of them also are using strawberry jello and stuff. I did bring some. I have some. I didn't mix it up just because I was like, you know, looks like they basically just hook it to the top like that. I'm gonna do here. Okay. Oh, we got a bite, I think. Looks like something's running with it. Yeah, I can see that line moving. That's on that chicken too. Line is running. It either pulled the bait off. I mean, it was running enough. I feel like we have to check. Well, whatever it was, it's definitely hitting it, but it's still there. I think we're gonna move. I just do not have confidence in this spot right now. Okay, I was marking them pretty deep. Did I just get snagged on something, or did I catch something already? What in the heck? Oh my gosh. Did y'all see that? I literally just dropped that down there, and I got a blue like that. Holy crap. Now if that ain't cool. That is the craziest way to catch a blue catfish. Look at that. What? No way. That is what. There's no way there's that big a mess of them. Is that fish in there? Man, if that's fish, we about to go ham right now, boys. I can't believe it. He hit that bluegill on the fall. That is absolutely insane. When I dropped it, oh my God, this pole's getting hit too. My chicken. If something's still on it, I don't know. I could have just been snagged up on something. All right, that is mind-blowing that I caught this guy that fast. I think I'm getting a bite on another one, my chicken too. I think I got something on it, honestly. Yeah, there's definitely something on that. This guy here is 2 1/4. Just a little guy, but we were out to keep him. Let's see. We got something here. Oh yeah, another little blue. This was on the chicken. Well, I told y'all, we keeping them today. Slime though. Let's get some poles back in the water, boys. My goodness, that slime. That was wild. Literally caught that fish off the drop. We are gonna get back over there. We're gonna try a new piece of chicken too. That catfish, it didn't even hit the bottom yet. When I started I thought it was snagged. Didn't really give him a chance to decompress at all. I mean, it's in 40 feet of water. But to be honest, I thought it was snagged. I didn't think that was a fish. And then that other little blue got it. I mean, I told you, I want to catch big cats. I want to catch big fish. But I also like to catch eaters too, though, you know, like. And oh, we eat them, man. Times are tough. Catfish taste so good anyways. And frying them up is so easy. I'm gonna come out by here and drift around this little line right here. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of fish down here. A whole bunch right here. They're all sitting like right at 40 feet. This is right where I caught them, so dropping another body piece down. All right, get around the bottom. 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's a whole bunch of shad out here too. There we go, something's in there right now. Come on, pole. You know, someone was hitting it. There's the other glove. There's a whole bunch of shad flipping out here. I think that's what's down there, if I had to guess. Something hitting this guy. think there's a fish on that. Yeah, we got one. Another blue. There we go. Something else hit my catfishing rod, or my chicken rod. Mine's moving, I'm gonna pull up on him too. I think he let it go. Yeah, he did. No, we're gonna drop that back down. Okay. Oh, something's in this guy. Man, I like just can't. Ooh. Oh boy. Put a little bit of drag on. He's decent. This is on a piece of chicken. I do not want to horse him up. I don't know, he might just be mean too. There we go, he's decompressing now. Shoot, I can't untangle this guy. I can't net him until I get this guy undone. This is a problem you always want to have. You're catching too many fish. Okay. Okay. This guy's not bad. Put a new battery in here soon. Little 3-pounder. Not bad. Alright. Let's get some more lines in, man. It's early, I'm sweating. But we catching them. We catching them catfish, boys. Arkansas River, baby. So, does raw chicken work? Yes. It works. So 4 catfish right now, 2 uncut bluegill, 2 on raw chicken, and actually the biggest one I have so far is on raw chicken. I mean, it's 3-pounder, 3.5. Not a bad fish, but the day's not over. I literally have been at this spot for all of 20 minutes, and I caught all my fish here within 5 minutes of each other. I actually can't even get anything done because I'm catching so many fish, and I'm sweating like crazy. We tearing them up right now, tearing them up. I want to fill this up a bit because I'm gonna have to stick my other fish in there. I mean, I'm a catfish until I get my limit. Limit in Arkansas is 10. Fishing with a little brim head. What is it hot? Okay. Chicken breast. Cut them up into thin little pieces here. And so far they have performed very well and stay on the hook very well. Today's my first day using them, so don't have any complaints yet. So I start fishing right here and I kind of troll right on down. So far I haven't been able to make it past the first one without both my poles going down, but I am not complaining. No siree. They're deep too. They're about 40 feet deep. Sitting this rod right here. Oh yeah, that rod's down. Oh boy. Ooh, that is a good fish right here, boys. Oh, this is a good fish. He's pulling pretty good. This is on the brimhead. Oh, he's just mean. He's just mean. Not a bad blue. Y'all, I need to get a water break. This is just wearing me out. Oh. Ooh, give me a second. Sorry about that, guys. I had to take a water break, and I bring that long sleeve shirt with. It's worked pretty well in the past. Took it off, threw some suntan lotion on. Get rid of this bait here, put a new one on. So far 3 is hit on cut bait and 2 is hit on chicken, raw chicken. So I mean, it works. I want to try to smack a bag of potato chips. I mean, hey, if I can't eat because I'm catching fish, that's okay with me. The raw chicken is working. If you have a hard time getting bait fish, raw chicken has worked. And if I'm not mistaken, it's one of my biggest blues I got so far has been on it. So it's not bad. If you're having a hard time getting bait, keep some raw chicken in the fridge. You know, freeze it, let it thaw out the day beforehand. So far for me, it's worked. Ooh. And then we'll go ahead and drop it down. Hopefully they didn't move off. I have not had a chance to get the boat cleaned up or get anything put back. Okay, there's that. Wow. I'm gonna have to redo that hook. Happy I looked at that. It happens. Trying to keep just 2 lines in the water. I mean, it's wearing me out right now. Right here is the creek channel. Look at that gar. That's a big old gar right there. Waves are pushing me back in here. I did not want to be over here right now. Oh, getting a bite here on the chicken. Yep, he's got that. I can't even get my bag of chips. Ooh, boy. He's a big boy. He's just mean. water. So far, 3 and 3. 3 chicken, 3 brim. Oh, okay. He ain't done. Oh, I think he's mean though, boys. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's a good blue right there. That's the biggest one so far today. All on that piece of chicken. Woo! Look at that, on a piece of raw chicken right there. Looks like he's 6'11". All right. Oh. Whew. Oh. Y'all. That's a big fish. Y'all, it's just getting too hot. I'm gonna have to call it here. I am just sweating. Hey, if you guys have stuck around to the end of the video, thank you. You guys have watched my second YouTube video. This video was all about using raw chicken, and as you guys can see, it works great. My biggest catfish I caught today was on raw chicken. The biggest ones I got have been on raw chicken, which really blew me away. I couldn't believe that. I figured I would just be catching some small ones, but I told you I'm out to catch the big ones or the small ones to eat. I like to eat them. So, but the cool thing about raw chicken is you don't have to go out and catch your bait. Let's say you're running late or you worked late the night before, so you can't go and get them the day before. That helps out a lot, you know. Now you can just go to the grocery store, buy them, and you're ready to go. You're ready to fish. The only issue with the raw chicken that I have, and that you guys need to do if you guys try it, is make sure to bring some soap, hand sanitizer, or gloves with you. You know, salmonella is no joke. Nobody wants that. You want to make sure you keep your hands clean. You know, usually you're out on the boat for a while, you end up eating some kind of food or something. So keeping your hands clean is extremely necessary. But again, thank you guys for sticking around. If you guys want to come and take this journey with me going out fishing, making some videos, I'd appreciate it if you guys hit that sub button. Hey, thanks for checking out my video and just hanging out with me. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And hey, use that raw chicken, it works. I'll catch you guys later.